In this video, I'll give you my honest review of Coursive.io, an online platform that teaches how to use AI tools to earn money through freelancing, digital marketing, and other online skills. If you're curious whether it's actually worth your time or just another overhyped site, stick around, because I'll break down everything you need to know before signing up. Coursive.io is designed to help beginners learn how to use AI for making money online. It focuses on tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Jasper, with lessons that are mostly text-based. The platform includes quizzes and case studies that show how AI can be used for real-world tasks like writing content or creating images. Sounds good so far, but let's take a closer look. On the positive side, Coursive.io is very easy to follow, especially for beginners. The content is broken down into small, clear lessons. You can try it out for just $15 for a week, which makes it low risk. It also has decent user reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.4 star rating. However, there are some noticeable downsides you should be aware of. The content is very basic and might not be helpful if you already know a bit about AI. Many users have reported unexpected subscription charges after the trial ends, and canceling isn't always straightforward. So, is it worth it? If you're completely new to AI and freelancing, Coursive.io can be a helpful and affordable starting point. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and gives you a clear overview of how AI tools can be used to make money online. Just make sure to keep an eye on your subscription and use a secure payment method like PayPal to avoid any unexpected charges. Overall, it's a low-risk way to explore the world of AI and see if it's the right path for you.